Hey Lou, I just figured you was coming back from inside the mall here with something for the old man, eh? But I see you might be bringing a cake or a pie or something from, you know, one of them kind of little shops there, a cinnamon bun or something. But to tell you the truth, which is you bringing here for me?
Blitz.
Blitz?
American cheesecake Blitz.
Cheesy web.
Taste that how sweet and nice.
Well, you're going to fatten me up, you know.
Sweeten me up.
You're going to sweeten me up, but... Raise it now, raise it up. Raise it up and let me see what you're looking like there.
Blitz. It's really delicious.
You know, I stand up here, waiting for you to come out there. And I'm telling myself, you know, as you're growing older, a man and his wife should really go on a little date every now and then, huh? A man and his wife should have a little date every now and then. You know what I mean?
And when the man can't go in the mall, you had to bring back something for him.
Well, when the man can't walk too far, you have to come back with something. Well, when you come back with something, we have to feed him too.
Half and half, eh?
So what's the composition of this thing?
It has ice cream in it. It has it's cheesecake. Blitz.
Cheesecake and what?
Cheesecake Blitz.
Hello. Cheesecake Blitz. So it's a Blitz then?
Blizzard, sorry.
A blizzard. Okay. That's where I get the ice from.
So they blend up everything together.
And they call it a blizzard.
And it has cherries.
Go ahead, tell me what it's in it.
Cherries and ice cream and nuts.
Strawberries too?
So the flavor is cheesecake.
It does taste like that. I think I had enough of the blizzard.
What? So we're gonna eat all this?
Well,
It's 50-50.
but next time buy a smaller cup.
Well, I say we could eat plenty and just heat you in the sun here. I say you were really
I stand up in the sun, I say I'm going to melt some fat, but...
ice cream, blizzard melted.
I don't know. Somebody say,
Very delicious.
Mr. Sana, everything you eat, you just go,
It's all I
like
eat.
you don't ever get no bad food. I had to laugh, you know. I already had to laugh, eh? I wanted to ask the fella, but wait now. You sound like you sometimes get a lot of bad food.
Exactly. The man enjoying what he eating. I
If
mean,
the-
he getting good food all the
And
time.
the thing about it is that Trinidadians can really cook. So most homes nowadays, you can get very good meals in most homes with anything that they cook in.
Anything, man, any cuisine.
So I haven't been to homes in the longest while I could say, well, I really didn't enjoy that food. And it's unkind to do that too, eh?
Of course.
It would be unkind to say that this food is not good because you feel that people go,
Somebody else could make it better.
no.
Or you have tasted better. So it's polite to be complimentary. It's not deceptive.
It's not, I'm not going to say that. It's not something that you want to deceive people about, you know?
And let me tell you something. It's a wonderful thing to compliment people, regardless of, it may not be tasting the very best, but you can't put down people and say, oh, this food that tasting good. The food tasting good. The man enjoying this tasting.
Of course. Yeah. Of course. Hello.
But you know, long ago we were taught, if you can't say something good, don't say something bad.
Yeah.
And Lasana know that. He grew up knowing.
Yes.
You compliment people. When you compliment people, you encourage them. You build their esteem. So it will be rude and uncomplimentary to not say tasting good.
Precisely.
And it is not deceptive.
And let me tell you something, I ain't fooling you. Trinidadians and Jamaicans, as we proved recently in the States, we could cook.
Yeah, man.
We could real cook. Guyanese could cook. So, I mean to say, it's not a big deal to really say somebody's food tasting really good. I believe that people could really say food tasting good. Food tasting real good. So you gotta go back inside, right?
Yeah. Shall we leave this with you?
Yeah, leave that with me, man. But thanks anyway. I feel privileged to know that my wife went into the mall, Twin City Mall here, and she didn't forget me. She said that, you know, I know you were out there in the hot sun, and therefore I brought you something cool. She brought me a blizzard to cool me down. Can you imagine that? Not a little snow, you know, but she brought me a blizzard to keep me cool.
Something to cool you off, man.
Right. So, partners, thank you very much again. It's a real privilege to have a caring wife, a thoughtful wife. And for all those who have such relationships,
compliment the woman.
Compliment the woman.
She could cook, even if something tastes better than us. Compliment is a wonderful thing.
Yeah.
It tastes good. Nice.
Lean forward in the sun there a little bit. Let me see your face there, Louise.
This is good.
Yes,
nice.
yes. Come forward again. Come forward again.
Man.
Yes, man. That's the way to go. So
I just saw a girl, one of our subscribers, Diane.
Okay.
She said, Mama Lou, you look so beautiful with your hair down. But I see you back up again. I said, that's Mama Lou.
Yeah.
That's Mama Lou signature look, man.
That's right. Okay, Louise, you go back, check them out, and thanks again for the blizzard.
Yes, and
imagine in this hot sun, you create a blizzard for me.
A blizzard for you, Lancy.
Papa, you. Okay, love, take care.
Okay, I go to avalanche to get out, you know.
Very good.